Hello! This is sort of like a little introduction to this series that I plan on making. I'm going to be making a series of all the tips and tricks that I've learned with Live2D, such as hair movement, tail movement, eye physics, all of that sort of stuff, as well as a nice moving mouth instead of it just going. So yeah, helping you guys learn how to make your models better, great, add movement, as well as set up for VTube Studio, which is what I'm using right now for my model. Yeah, and just all the tips and the sources where I got the information from as well. Also, I will be going through the basics as well, like draw order, just like XY view for head, all of that sort of stuff too. So hopefully it is useful for you guys. Yeah, it'll be a learning curve for you guys, a bit of a diary for me. So yeah, enjoy.